Okay, good morning, guys. So at this point we're wrapping up trigonometry. So why is it late? You're so late. Close the door properly, please. You don't mind. Okay, so we're looking at height and distance. I gave you a couple of sums to do for homework. So from the homework I gave you, the chapter 15. Come sanitize, Michael. Use the thing. Let's just check here.
Your attention, please. Amber Fisher, can you please report to the office? Amber Fisher, please report to the office.
What did you have to do for homework in 9 to 13? Any problems with number 9? Yes. Which exercise is this? 15.2. Exercise 15.2. So on page 349. Number 9, out of exercise 15.2 on page 349. That's where we're at. We are told that the ladder is 5 meters long. Okay? And placed against a wall of a building. It's 5 meters long. Placed against the wall of a building. The foot of the building and the now this is the building. It's now your windows and so on. The building stands 90 degrees to the horizontal. Okay? The foot of the building, now the foot of the ladder is 2.3 meters from the base of the wall. So that length is 2.3 meters. Okay? And in the same horizontal plane. A says, calculate the angle the ladder makes with the wall. So the angle the ladder makes with the wall. So there's the wall, here's the ladder. And the angle there referring to. Yeah, just going to do a line this quickly properly again. Okay. So that's that. Here's your windows. Okay. So you all agree this is the angle they're referring to. Not so? So which trigonometric function uses what is that relative to the angle? The opposite. And this is your hypotenuse. Which trigonometric function uses opposite and hypotenuse? Sine. So we say sine of theta equals opposite, which is 2,3 over 5. Over 1 across multiply, so it's going to be 5 sine theta equals 2,3. I look at, no, I could have, what are we working out here? We're working the angle. So we could have gone straight into arc sine. Not so? That was 5. So theta is equal to arc sine of 2, 3 over 5. With a new calculator. Arc sine. So arc sine 2.3 over 5 is 27.39. Okay. Then in B, the question says calculate the height the ladder reaches up the wall. So in other words, I'm working on this length here. Not so? And how can I calculate that? By using Pythagoras. Not so? So Pythagoras theorem says it's going to be a hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of your other two sides squared. So the height of the building squared. Okay? And the height the ladder reaches. So the height squared is equal to 5 squared minus 2, 3 squared. You could have even gone into this step straight away. There's no problem with that. Okay? So the calculator, you put 5 squared minus 2.3 squared. Or I could have used tan or cos to calculate that unknown side. Okay? Because we have the angle now. So that gives you 17, 19,17. The square root thereof, so the square root of the answer gives you 4, 4, 4. So therefore the height is going to be 4, 4. Alright, any issues there? Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Number 10. So now you're going to have a problem with every sum now. Is that it? Huh? So I can't do every sum now because I still need to do the new work of today. Okay, number 10, we are told that 2 points A and B on the ground, on the opposite sides of a tower. Okay, so we got points A and B. You got the ground here, we got A and B. From 2 points A and B on the ground, on opposite sides of a tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 53 degrees and 46 degrees respectively. From 2 points A and B on the ground on the opposite sides of the tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower. Okay, so basically what you have is this here. Got A. So it says respectively, so it says in that order. So from A you've got 53 degrees. So B's building is taller. Okay. Why? Because the angle that it opens up is bigger. So that is 53 degrees there. And then from B is going to be 46, which is of course lower. And that stands 90 to the ground again. Okay. The foot of the tower and what's this?
It's for Jordan and Maja.
Jordan and Maja? Okay. The foot of the tower and the points A and B lies in the same horizontal plane. That is not the right what I'm drawing. There's only one tower. So this is what you have. This is your tower here. You have 2 points. Of course, A is 53 degrees and B has to be 46 degrees. Here we go. That's what you have. So the foot of the tower, which is the bottom here, lies in the same horizontal plane as A and B. So we assume that this is on the ground. So the question says, the top of the tower and points A and B are in the same vertical plane. Top of the tower. Okay, so you didn't have to tell us that. Calculate the distance between points A and B when the tower is 800 meters high. So in other words, we've got A, B, let's make that C and D. So what we need to do is we need to calculate the distance between A and B. Okay. So if we look at intra-angle CDA, what you should see is this here. We have 800 there. We got 53 degrees. We got D, A and C. So what do we have? We have the angle, we have opposite, and we want to calculate the adjacent side. You see it? With that we'll be able to calculate AD. Intra-angle CDB, the big triangle, we will be able to calculate BD. Can you see that? So if we have AD and BD, how are we going to calculate AB? By subtracting BD and DA. Not so? So 800 is opposite to 53 degrees. We want to calculate DA, which is what relative to the angle? The adjacent. So which trigonometric function uses opposite and adjacent? So you say tan 53 equals 800 over DA. Okay? So naturally that's over 1 and cross multiply. So DA tan 53 degrees equals 800. Now what? Divided by tan 53. That's gone. So DA is equal to 800 over tan 53. 602,84 meters. Okay. In the other in the other triangle, intra-angle CDB, we have a triangle looking like this now. We got 46 degrees here. We have again 800 there. The CDB. So what I'm going to calculate here is DB, which is your adjacent. We have the opposite again. Not so. So in that case, I'm going to use tan again. So we say tan 46 degrees equals opposite, which is CD, which is 800 over DB. You cross multiply. So it's DB tan 46 degrees equals 800. So how do we get DB on its own? Divided by tan 48 both sides. 46 sorry. So that cancels. So DB is equal to, you put that in the calculator, 846 to 727, comma 55. Okay. So how do we get AB? Therefore, the distance of AB is equal to DA, which is our length, minus DB. No, the DA, which is this length here, minus our length, which is DB. So that would be the other way around. Otherwise, we get a negative value. DB minus DB. So it's going to be 727.55 minus 602, comma 84. So that gives us an answer of, that's the last answer calculated, minus 602.84. So we give you 169.79. 169.79 meters apart. Okay. Is that the right answer given there? Huh? Okay. Here comes number 11. Huh? Number 12. Number 13. Huh? No problems with 13. Okay. So that concludes our heights and distances. So on Monday we're going to look at the 3 graphs. No? I gave you work for Monday on 3 graphs. Is that correct? Check your skills, it will be done on your own. You don't have to hand the team. So I'll stop the video at this point. Alhamdulillah.